Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be catching you up on makeup products that I've been trying out that I have just been obsessing over and loving. And now that it's summertime, these are perfect. So it's pretty much just going to be makeup loves currently kind of video. So before we do get started, please give this a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel, you guys. If you love anything makeup or self tanner, please make sure that you're subscribed and not missing out on 3 videos a week. But if you want to see what makeup I've been trying and loving lately, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, I feel like I just recently did a video like this, maybe like a month or 2 ago I want to say, but I've been trying so much new makeup that my opinions are, I don't want to say changing because I still love the same products, but I've been trying so many new products that there's so many more to talk about. So that's what I want to do. I feel like there's a lot of new stuff that I just cannot stop using, and I want to share with you guys what that is, because I know I do a lot of first impression videos and I want to share like what stuck around and what I still am loving. So I've got like 10 or so products here today that I'm going to be sharing. Maybe some are repeats, maybe not. Some are definitely new. So we could just get started. I'm just gonna like show you guys what the products are and let you know why I love them. So the first one, I'm sure I've mentioned a million times already, is the Gucci Blush Debut in Bright Coral. This is hands down currently my favorite powder blush. I cannot stop using this. I literally find myself grabbing for this every single time I'm about to put on blush because it is just so good. It is like a matte without being a matte. Like it gives you this beautiful, like glowing from within kind of look without being sparkly or like glowy necessarily. I don't even know how to explain what this does, but it is like magic. And this packaging is everything. Like I would rebuy this a million times just to look at it because the packaging is stunning and the product is just as beautiful. Like this stuff is no joke. It's worth every single penny, and I literally want every shade that it comes in because I just have not seen anything that can compare to this. So that's number 1 on the list. Next up, we have the new Makeup Forever HD Skin palette. So it's the Face Sculpting palette. It comes with 12 shades, so it's like a bunch of concealer and bronzer / contour shades and then some highlighter shades too. There is something for everyone in this palette, you guys. Like this, especially if you like to do other people's makeup, or if you just like to switch things up a lot, or if you tan, this is really, really great because there's so many different shades in here and you can mix things, and it's just such a good palette and the products are such good quality. Pro tip, I've noticed that the products apply way better when you use a brush to blend them out versus a beauty blender, so just keep that in mind. That's just, I've been playing around with this a lot and that's what I have noticed. So with a brush, these are magic on your face. They last such a long time, like so beautiful. I just am obsessed. So you need this if you haven't tried it. It is a little bit pricey. I think it's like 85 bucks, and I'll link all of these products in the description bar for you guys so you can see pricing and everything, but worth every penny. Like for 12 different shades, this is gonna last such a long time and it's just so good. So it's a yes. And then next up, I cannot stop talking about this product, you guys. It's the new Dior Forever Natural Bronzer. I have the shade 5 Warm Brown. Oh, I love this stuff. This is like my powder bronzer obsession at the moment. It's just so soft and creamy, and it's not glowy. Like if you don't want a super glowy bronzer, this is it, because it's perfect for if you want like a lighter, more natural makeup look. This gives off a little bit lighter, like a light to medium kind of coverage, and then it layers really, really beautifully if you want a more like dramatic contoured bronze kind of look. this layers really, really nicely to give you that as well. And it's so soft and it's so just beautiful on the skin, and it's like the perfect shade of a bronzer. I just love this stuff so much. This is like 50 bucks, but so worth it, you guys. Next is another blush. This is a liquid blush, and you already know I had to give my girl Charlotte Tilbury another shout out. It would not be a favorites video if I didn't include a Charlotte Tilbury product in here. So it's the new Matte Beauty Blush Wand, and I have mine in the shade Pillow Talk Peach Pop. I love this stuff. When I tell you a little goes a long way with this, oh my god, you guys, you do not need a lot of product at all to get a like beautiful flush of color on your cheeks. This stuff is just amazing. It's not messy if you remember to close the cap, so just make sure to do that. I always forget, so it makes a mess, but I've been good with this one and it has not made a mess. But everything about this is so good, you guys. The color is beautiful. Look how pigmented that is. I like hardly touched my skin with that, and it's so pigmented, and that's just what's left over on the tip. It's amazing. It blends out so beautifully. It works so well with other makeup products. Like, this is amazing. And then next up, you cannot go into the summer without a tinted moisturizer. And this one I just recently tried, but I've been using like nonstop, pretty much almost every day for work and stuff. It's the Too Faced Born This Way Healthy Glow SPF 30 Moisturizing Skin Tint. This stuff is beautiful. I'm actually wearing it right now because I just love how it looks on my skin. It literally feels like I don't have anything on my skin. It just feels like I'm moisturized. It feels amazing. Other products work beautifully with this stuff. It lasts such a long time, and there is SPF in here, so it's perfect for this time of year. And then next up we have just a sunscreen, and this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. I love this stuff. It feels so good on your skin. It feels so hydrating. It gives you this like beautiful glow to your skin too, and it's SPF 50, you guys, so this is really good for like a beach day or something too. I keep this with me everywhere that I go when it's warm outside. It does not fail me ever. And then it goes hand in hand with the Drunk Elephant D-BRONZI Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. So I love to mix these two products together. I'll do like some here, some here, some here, some here, and then just like blend with a brush like of both of these, and it's such a beautiful mixture. It like kind of dilutes the drops a little bit, and it gives you the perfect bronzed glow, especially because my self-tanner girls out there know that your face self-tan fades a lot quicker than your body self-tan. So having something like this to be able to just put on the daily if you're too lazy to reapply a facial self-tanner every couple of days, this stuff is like godsend, you guys. It's amazing, and these two together is like the dynamic duo. Thank me later, but this is the combo. So this is what I'm gonna be wearing all summer long. Next up, we have the Rare Beauty, what are these? Tinted lip oils. So I have the shade Honesty, and then I can't remember what the other shade is that I have. I think it's like Bare something. It's in my purse downstairs because I keep it in my purse at all times now. I am obsessed with this stuff, you guys. Every time I put one of these on, I get complimented on what's on my lips, and I get asked what's on my lips. 9 times out of 10, it's this. I am just obsessed with the tint that it leaves on your lips even after it has come off. And it's so nice because if you're like out and you're doing things and you're like drinking something, even if like the initial product comes off, there's like that flush of color that's left over on your lips, so it stays looking beautiful. I cannot get enough of this stuff. It's so comfortable to wear. The applicator that is on here makes it so easy to line your lips too, so you don't even need to wear a lip liner if you don't want to. I just love this stuff so much. Rare Beauty, Selena Gomez can do no wrong in my eyes. All of her products are amazing, so highly, highly, highly recommend. Next up is a mascara, a new favorite mascara, and it is the Fenty Hella Thick Volumizing Mascara. You guys, I am like sickly obsessed with this mascara. It is so good. It gives you so much volume, length, thickness, everything that you could dream of in a mascara. This gives it to you, and then some. Like, this exceeded every expectation that I had to find a favorite mascara, and I cannot get enough. Like, I literally don't need to wear lashes when I use this because it makes my lashes look perfect every time. So you better believe that I will be repurchasing this a million times over. I'm obsessed. And then last but not least is a new product, and it's perfect for the summer because when I went to the beauty show, I got like some self-tanner products. And then this was from the brand NUDA, where I got a self-tanner from. But this is their body shimmer. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like on my skin. But look at this stuff. It has this insane golden glow to it. And when you put it on your body, it just like accentuates everything in the best way. And just imagine what this is gonna look like on your legs or on your arms or like on your collarbones in the summer. When the sun is setting, it's just gonna hit in like all the right places and it's gonna look so amazing. I'm already so obsessed with this, you guys, and it dries down so quickly. I have not noticed any transfer onto clothes with this. I've only used it a couple of times, but I haven't noticed any transfer. And it just looks so amazing. Like, it's dried down, like it doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel gross, it just is very comfortable to wear. And this glow is absolutely insane. So again, it's the NUDA Canada Body Shimmer, and I'm in love and I'm obsessed. And I'm gonna be wearing it all summer long. So that is it, you guys. That's all the products that I've been obsessing over lately and I cannot get enough of. I'm sure there's gonna be more, so I'll probably have another updated video for you guys sometime soon. But this is it for now. So comment and let me know what you guys think. Let me know if there are any other products out there that you want me to try. Just what you want to see from me, let me know. Give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.